Actually, I want to make a confession. My name is Ken Rogers. I want to make a confession today. Bonnie and I became co-sponsors for this family because I can't remember the kids' names and keep them straight. And you'll find out what I mean as Bonnie helps me with this. First of all, I would like to introduce you to Kareem, the father of the house, and to Magda, his bride. And then Bonnie's going to step in and help me with the kids because I know I'll get it right. Or wrong.
They have 4 sons, one of whom could not get off work today. His name is Harith. But here from left to right we have Hussam, who will be a 9th grader at South Junior High. Hamam, who is at Johnson County Community College. And we have Hamza, who is at Prairie Park Elementary School.
We should probably also recognize the fact that one of Hamza's teachers is here. That's very special.
Okay. Well, Steve Lane.
Already?
Already.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, since this is a celebratory nail drive, it would be good if we celebratorially broke some nails. So here is your official, your own personal celebratory hammer there. And fortunately, I don't have to drive any nails. But if you guys would like to start, we're very glad that you've stayed with us this long, waiting for our house to start. So pick a nail, your favorite nail, and drive it in. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep, that's pretty good. So far, you're hitting it straight in.
Woo! Yay!
Here we go.
It's going.
You're finishing now.
Hey, you have to look at the nail.
Yay.
Now I know who drives nails in his house.
Swing from up higher, takes less whack. There you go.
There. All right. All right.
Big brother.
Okay.
Funny, is there a gift to give?
We'll come back and
Yes.
see how it happened.
Ken and I have some gifts, some different construction tools, especially sunblock,
Yeah.
bug
you go.
spray, and a bunch of tools. And I just want to point out for Magda's sake, I can't imagine living in a house full of men, but this is your hammer.
Very old. That caught me in the store last night. I said, she's got to have this.
You get saws and paint brushes when you get to that point, so enjoy.
Okay.
Okay.
So you
gonna have Mark talk to us about volunteers working here today.
Yep.